This short video is going to give you a quick summary about some of the visual checks you can make on your brake system to ensure it's safe and in good order. Firstly though, there are several different brake systems on modern bikes. This one on Lewis's bike here shows you a disc brake system, and I'm going to leave that to Lewis and to Andrew to describe. Now most of you will have V-brakes if you've got block brakes, and this is a really bad example. I've borrowed this bike. It shows a bike that hasn't been looked after and a really tatty set of V-brakes. What I'm going to show you are some old-fashioned brakes called cantilever brakes, which aren't used on road bikes much these days, but mainly for cyclocross. But they're the brakes I've got on my old bike, and they'll do to show you some of the visual checks you can make on your brakes to ensure they're safe and in good order. The first thing to mention is that whatever you do, do not make major adjustments to your brakes unless you know exactly what you're doing. But what you can do is a visual check to ensure they're safe. This is a brand new brake block, and it shows you they've got deep cuts which are clean, and they show you the thickness of the braking block that contacts with the rim of your bike. One of the visual checks you can do, and the most important, is to ensure that the brake blocks are clean and that there is sufficient thickness of brake block material. If these are really thin, such that you can no longer see the cracks in the block, you need to have them replaced. One other very important aspect is to ensure that the brake block connects only with the rim of the bike, not the tyre and not under the rim. So if I apply this brake, you can see it closes down onto the rim. If you discover that your brake blocks are closing up onto the tyre, that is a really dangerous situation, and you mustn't ride your bike until the brakes have been adjusted. What they'll do is lock onto your tyre and throw you over the handlebars. Similarly, if you find your brake blocks close up undercutting the rim, that's also very dangerous, and they can flick underneath and then you've got no brakes at all.